guys, a very warm welcome. It's Chuma here back with another video, and for today I wanted to share with you guys quickly how I go about reviving my low bun. I'm not so ready for a wash day as of yet. Definitely still want to be able to keep up this look, but I need to be able to rejig because as you can see, I've got frizzy hair, flyaways and all of that stuff. So if you want to be able to see how I get that done, then stick around. Alright guys, here we go. Okay, so I've had this low bun in my hair for about a week. Wash day is here, should be here, but there's a lot going on at the moment. I'm not so ready to actually have a wash day. So what I thought I would do is actually just revive it a little bit, make sure that it's still moisturized, still well conditioned, and still good to go for at least another couple of days. You know I don't go without washing my hair at least every week or every 10 days. The maximum is 10 days. I don't go any longer than 10 days without having a wash day. So I just need a couple more days, especially because I'm going back to work, a couple more days for me to be able to actually keep up this look, keep rocking it out. So I just wanted to be able to do something really quickly. So what I'm going to do to revive my low bun is use two products. I'm going to use the Nylah Herbal Hair Tea Condition Blend. You guys would have seen in my previous video how I actually did the prep for the herbal hair tea. You can actually use it as a conditioner, a washout, or you can use it as a leave-in. And in this case, I'm using it as a leave-in, using it just to be able to revive my hair, add those goodies that are in the herbal tea to be able to just give my hair the moisture that it needs, the goodies that it needs, and then for me to be able to actually be good to go for another couple of days.
Okay guys, so I start off by unraveling my low bun. Initially when I created this low bun, I used the Nylah Herbal Hair Tea as a leave-in conditioner, and then I followed it up with the black castor and flaxseed oil eco styler gel to be able to lay down the low bun. And what I'm doing to revive it is exactly the same process. So I'm going in to soften my hair, because you can imagine with the gel, my hair, it was feeling very hard. It had dried out, and what I'm doing is making sure that I'm softening my hair using the Nylah Herbal Hair Tea Condition Blend as a leave-in to be able to go in and soften my hair so that it becomes manageable. You definitely don't want to try doing anything when your hair is dry, right? That's like natural hair rule 101. What I do is then go ahead and follow up with the black castor and flaxseed oil eco styler. It definitely has become a legend in my eyes, especially for sleek low buns or sleek buns in general. I mean, I gave up on eco styler, but it has definitely come back in my life. Well, just this one. I think I still live by the olive oil one, and this black castor and flaxseed oil version just works wonders for my hair. At this point, you're probably asking the question, Chuma, aren't you going to flake out? Like, if you're trying to revive a style where you've used a lot of gel now, okay, I've used gel, like, you know what I mean, and you know you get that flakiness with gel. The great thing about the herbal hair tea is that, you know, spraying that before you actually reapply the gel ensures that, you know, your hair is softened, so it makes it a lot easier. It softens it so that you're not cracking the hair out of the gel. That's the difference, and that's the reason why I went in with the leave-in conditioner first, because the moment that you try and crack the gel, that's when you start getting the flakiness, and that's when it's the point of no return. So what I found easiest was for me to be able to go in with the herbal hair tea and then apply the eco styler, and then brushing that through once again, first with my tangle teaser and then with my brush, as you've seen, because there were some bits that just didn't want to cooperate with smoothness. Man, I wanted this as sleek as possible. Like, part 2, the sleekness, the same way you got it the first time is the same way that you get it the second time around. Can we have more of that, please? Thank you very much. Yes. And then what I go ahead and do is just put it back in the bun, and I'm good to go after this, guys. It's just as simple as that for me to be able to revive my bun. I just needed to do this for, you know, another couple of days, and then I'm ready for wash day. And it's gonna be the usual at this point. It's just setting my edges, and then once I've set my edges, I'll go ahead and put that scarf on for about half an hour, and then I'm back and I'm good to go.
Is a wrap for me, guys. It is just that simple for me to be able to revive my hair, stretch it out a little bit longer, especially in the bun before my next wash day. I will be having a wash day in a couple of days. In the morning, what I'm going to be doing is spraying the Nylah Herbal Hair Tea Condition Blend. It's just so yummy and definitely great to use as a leave-in conditioner, so I'll carry that on. So you guys can actually get 15% off of your purchase if you go to nylah.co.uk. If you use my code Chuma, I'll include the information in the description below. But get yourself a little discount. Go over to the website, have a bit of a nosy, have a bit of a shop around. I definitely would recommend Nylah products. They're absolutely amazing. I will have a full review for the shampoo and conditioner, but in the meantime, I'm definitely loving this Nylah Herbal Hair Tea Condition Blend. It's just got all the natural goodies in there, and who knew you could have tea for your hair? Like, feeling so posh right now. So posh. It's just something different for my hair, and it's just so refreshing. The flowers, the herbs smell so delicious. So it was literally such an easy indulgence for me to be able to chill out on a Sunday, being able to just refreshen and revive my low bun until my wash day. So definitely would recommend the herbal hair tea. It's absolutely yummy. And be sure to check out Nylah Heritage Hair and Science. It's nylah.co.uk, but you know I will include everything in my description below. And that is a wrap from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is the first time that you're checking me out, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss a beat. Also, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you know every single time I post a video. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!